Hands down, the best shop. Go in with confidence, drop the key off, trust me, they'll be fixed. I have no problem with this shop. I'm telling you, they're that good. Personally, I'm old school. I don't like throwing away cars. I like keeping them and repairing them and driving them. You gotta have a good shop that can maintain them. I've taken my vehicles to other shops where you don't feel like you're getting what you paid for. You get to run around a lot of times and a lot of gray area when it comes to what they're fixing, right? My truck was broke for 2 years sitting in my driveway. I took my car over here to Chevrolet. Where I bought it at, they couldn't figure it out. This shop, they fixed it in a day and a half. When they send me these videos at the other shops, they'll send you a video of what they found. They're not showing me anything, they're just showing me oil that leak. If you got a car, it's gonna leak oil, right? When I get a video from Amigos, they're showing me the problem. When they fix something, they show you what they fixed, and you feel good about it. If I could describe my experience with Amigo Autos, it would be professional and personal. Before I even get one step in the door, it's, hey, Mr. Cummings, what can we do for you today? And they know you by name when you come through the door and they treat you with respect. Hands down, Amigo Autos has been the best shop that I've ever dealt with.